Alright y'all, we back with another one. We had this car meet in downtown Clarksville, to my correction. This is like the pre-slush meet for the big event tomorrow in Nashville. We got my peoples here. Damn, this camera shit. Alright, fuck it. You got fucking Bassy.
You got Nico.
Oh, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright. Fucking, that's what it's looking like right now. You already know how we do. We're gonna go around, interview people, see what they got, be nosy as fuck. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna have a good time though. Alright, I see y'all back when we find something decent. What we got here, dog? Shit. Whoever put this in here put a lot of money. Oh my god, man. What if you had to make a calculation of the numbers, what would you say? Run about 6 to the wheel? 6 to the wheel? At least? Okay. What year is this? To your knowledge?
96, 98.
Yeah,
that's the golden years.
Yeah, let me back up. Yeah, man, whoever did this, man, this is time and money. Time and money. I wonder if I'm gonna meet them tonight. You ain't lying, bro. A couple diplomas behind that too. Nah, this bitch clean though. I'm looking at the damn supercharger vortex. Well, shit. You know that bitch got some little loose to that motherfucker.
Oh man.
All right, guys. Let's go on to the next one and shit. Whoever shit this shit moving. I already know my favorite goddamn vet, the CR1. Oh my god. You see the name? You see the badge? Ain't no telling what he did. Wait, Kong Performance.
Everybody get that supercharger.
Damn. So you changed up this shit a little bit. You put some money in this fucking hood.
I think Kong comes with the standard, right? Oh yeah.
No.
The Kong Performance one?
That's a brand. Yeah, that's a manifold brand.
Hey, what the fuck is that? Let me see. What? Oh shit. Yeah. I ain't see that other. You got bucket seats. That's
well, hey, I'm gonna tell y'all this. Whoever ZR1 this is, they put some money into it. Right. This bitch is clean, boy. Kong Performance. I don't even want to know what the power is. It's probably more than my damn checking account, you know? It's crazy. But nah, though, this is nice, though. Yeah, we got some shit out tonight, boy. Now back up a little bit so I can get a better view. VR1.
And look to the right. Z06.
Z06, right by. Oh no.
Z06.
It is Z06. Oh no, I think this is just a collector's.
Oh, it is 60 gear.
Now this is probably a Grand Force collector's. But I mean, shit, it's probably gonna be faster than the damn Z06. You got new manifolds.
You got the turbos on the fender.
You got turbos on here?
Yep.
Where at?
Right here. You gotta bring it like right here. You see it?
Oh, y'all see the turbos? That boy running.
And the license plate too. The turbo.
You just gonna say you got thousands of dollars under this hood. That's all I'm gonna say. But let me back up to it. It's a C6 Grand Sport Collectors, to my knowledge, the 60-year anniversary. That bit's clean though. This is a better view of everything. Got some guys still pulling in. Y'all can hear me, it's loud. I'm gonna try to talk loud, but still got people pulling in. Car looks up for the most part. Yeah, it's just popping tonight, man.
Yeah. They got so much cars.
They had a Terminator Cobra here too, right next to mine.
He ended up leaving?
Yeah, he was loud as shit too. I got a video of him.
Oh shit. That bit look decent. Alright, we're gonna try to interview some people though, see what they got. If we can find anybody, but good in, guys. Hey guys, we got this out. We're thinking this is a conversion.
Yeah, he definitely did. That's a Camaro.
It's Camaro. E28.
But then you got the El Camino back end. So it's definitely conversion.
You know what? It actually looks clean though. I'm not gonna even count.
Oh yeah, El Camino SS. Oh, maybe that's just how they made them.
I don't remember the El Caminos having.
I never remember them having either.
You know what I'm saying? Well, I ain't gonna lie, you put a lot of money in this shit if you convert this shit. The tire.
Tail lights are all the way down there too.
Man, this bitch is goddamn. Oh damn, original interior.
Oh, for real? Oh, I guess they did make it SS.
Damn, dog. Look at
I
this
got that
shit.
old smell too. That's
Oh.
on my Camaro back home smell.
What the hell is fucking
79.
That's
70.
Z28 or fucking.
Them bitches were nice, man.
Isn't that the Corvette? Well, the Chevy racing branch.
Yeah.
Oh, that's wild.
Back in the day.
This bitch clean
This has to
though.
have a big block. Oh no,
Yeah.
that's
Oh,
definitely
no, no,
that's a
that's
big
cool.
block. That's an old one.
Yeah.
It's an old bit block.
Yeah, it has to be a big block.
You see his coils.
A gallon? Goddamn.
Some days I hit up to 67.
Yeah, I think. Damn, I fucked around and got a damn truck. That bitch is like 10 miles a gallon.
I'm tracking with the V8s, dude.
But fucking, what we got right here? 370?
Yeah, 370Z.
Slams. Fucking.
Automatic.
Got the, we redid the inside a little bit, too, little bit of carbon fiber. And you got the lights, racing seat, oh, Nismo.
Roll cage.
Roll cage in there too. Yeah. You gotta look on the outside though. Probably the best fucking one I've seen on the channel. Not overdone, clean.
Nice, tasteful build.
Like,
Very tasteful.
you know, I've been seeing people LS swap these.
The old school ones.
Like everybody LS swapping everything, bro. Oh damn, that's the steering wheel too.
They got another one behind them. You got
Let me see. Now compared to the other one, I'm not. You know, this is mid. This is. I mean, he got a what this is, a carbon fiber hood. Carbon fiber hood. I mean, that's the best thing it's going for it.
Hey man, respect all builds, man.
Hey, oh, you're right, because you know I seen a damn build Nissan Maxima at the track.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you, bro. That shit was crazy. Yeah, that's what we got. Decent. Say, we just got a LS. This is an LS 400 or is this an LS swap?
No, it's an SC 400.
Light. Down there, guys can see him. Like cams up there. Stop. Follow the Instagram, guys can see that shit. Guys, it seemed like some people are leaving. Fucking, it was already kind of an hour in. It was about time we pulled up. So fucking, got here a little late. Had some stuff come up, but you know what I'm saying. Seen some nice shit though. Hey, Over traffic. Let's go. Yeah. Rev that shit. But, uh-oh. Roto, we might hear something decent. Oh, never mind. He just parked and shit. But if we find anything interesting, we will show you. But as of now, everybody's pulling off. So got his Audi. Yeah, taking off and shit. Uh-oh. Is he gonna step on it?
One. It's a regular one.
Oh, it's just a regular C7? No, wait. Yeah, it says Z06 badge on the side. I ain't gonna hit no shit. Well, yeah, guys, if you find anything interesting, we'll try to get it on film. Alright, guys. We're just gonna wait. Everybody's taking off. Yo, he said the clutch going out. Yo. Alright, damn, bro. Step on that shit. Damn. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Alright, C7 redeemed something. Woo. The bike better hit. That was something. Alright. That
Audi.
something decent.
But, bro, they move, man.
Is he gonna hit it? Oh man.
Oh, what's that?
Hit that bitch. Yeah. Oh. Alright, that's something. Something. Yeah, hit that bitch. Diesel power. Oh man, that's good. Yeah, blow it up. Ozone layer.
LMTV.
Well.
Oh, what's
You
that?
gotta hit, what is this?
That's a Lexus, I think.
No, this is Subaru
Oh,
SCI.
No, I'm talking about Mustang.
Oh, Mustang coming in?
Oh, yeah, that's a Mustang.
Oh, I'm about to say this better be V8 detail like that. Oh. Don't hit it. Popo.
Oh, I think he's about to go right now. I was like, no.
Go the other way. Hey. Yeah, hit it. Yeah. Oh. Where the Popo? No, he went the other way. You know it. Or YNs, I can't say it on YouTube. You know they love these damn Chargers and Mopar shit.
That had me too slick. That's his name.
Crash out. Come on, hit the shit.
Don't crash out. Don't crash out.
Crash out. Come on. Woo! Just take it. Oh, yeah! Fucking Chevy for the win. Chevy for the win, baby.
Oh, shit.
Mopar don't got shit. Come on, Nissan, what you got? With that big ass spoiler. Come on.
Yo, we done used to hype them up, watch them bang out, bro.
Bro. Hit that shit. A little better local traffic. T5 or?
UPSV or some shit?
That big chopper, and he got them damn street, them might have to be street drag. Oh shit. Damn. Oh, he got kids in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, he ain't hitting nothing.
Nah, ain't no fun.
Hit
That's
it.
a little B, bro.
Well,
Yeah, I got a B.
I was gonna go behind the building and call it day.
I was
I go
too.
by the garbage can.
I was just there.
He got kids in there, you can't get it. Say, fuck them kids. Oh! Watch out for the truck. Damn, you hear that
Oh,
GTO?
don't do that, bro.
Oh shit.
I don't know why you took off. You saw that car coming.
Hit that bitch.
Motherfucker, you crazy. Killed around the
Hit
side.
it. Yeah,
Little
GTO.
traction,
Yeah,
it's
that's
all
low.
good.
My My boy Perez Cobra. Thousands of dollars on that hood. Thought I'd put him on the. Oh shit. Woo. Alright, go ahead. You letting it warm up a little bit. Oh, at the back? Oh, okay. Oh, in the front? Okay, I got you. Hold up. Alright. Oh my God. Hey. Hit it one more time. Hey, don't, you ain't fucking with it. Hey, we said 6 to the wheel? He lying. He lying. He's more than that. Okay, you can see me. Yeah, kind of came here late and shit. Fucking came here around like 8 o'clock. The event started around like 6, so we kind of got here late. So a lot of when we pulled up, a lot of people were kind of already leaving. So this was the pre-slush anyway, because it's a big event tomorrow in Nashville that they're gonna have a lot of cars, autocrossing, drag racing. It's gonna be a big event and stuff. So I'm gonna check that out tomorrow. Got the fellas leaving now. And out in the Cobra. So yeah, we're gonna probably go there tomorrow, check it out. There should be a lot of content, a lot of cars, a lot of builds. We'll see a lot of interesting things. So this kind of gonna be a short one anyway, because we came out here late. So other than that, guys, we'll see you tomorrow, and I'm finna head out myself. Plus I gotta really piss and ain't nowhere to pee out here, man. So we will see you then. Well, until then, guys, have a good one.